Hi, Michael from Nouvelle here. I'm at beautiful Cammeray today in Sydney, New South Wales. We're here at one of our clients' homes that we've recently renovated. They'd actually been looking in this area for a long time for a property just like this. They are a couple who have decided to downsize from their large family home. As I said, they were looking for a couple of years to find the right property. This place finally came onto the market and they snapped it up straight away. It was very original in the beginning. The wardrobes and the joinery were from the 1960s, very old. A lot of the rooms were very cramped and tight, so they really wanted to focus their budget on some high-end joinery and also making it feel more spacious and more luxurious as well. As I said, they had a generous budget. Within the kitchen area there, we've modified the opening. We've taken down a wall which divides the kitchen, or did divide the kitchen to the living room. We have to put in structural beams to support the roof to do so. It also has Blum hardware throughout and a nice pocket door in the appliance cabinet. I'd like to take you through to show some of these finishes. So as we come down the hallway here, you can see the opening to the kitchen. We have widened that up from it used to be just a single doorway, much wider now, much better feel to it. As we come in, you can see the smart stone from their sintered stone collection, the Bellini Bianco, and the client even purchased this beautiful light fitting which matches the colour of the stone. Down here you can see the finger pull shadow line detail and also the walnut overhead cabinet laminate finished doors. To the right here as well is the appliance cabinet pocket door. Very handy, closes over the window here, blocks out some of the light, which is why we made it pocket door. That door can slide in. Now be behind the window, to the side of the window and out of the way, into the joinery cabinet. Let that natural light come through. Through here is where the wall used to be, into the living area. Up here we had to install the structural LVL beams to support the roof, but it really has achieved to have a much more open plan living into the living area here.